have the Roland E09 Indian Edition. I'm going to unbox this beautiful Indian version of the Roland keyboard. I hope you are going to like this. So this is it. Like, let me unbox it first. So this is the power adapter. You are able to see. I'm going to need it. So this is the power adapter. I'm just keeping it aside. The chart board, like where you can place your chord charts or lyrics. I actually didn't buy online. I wanted to go to the showroom and check out for like what are the quality of the sounds and blah blah blah. So that's why I decided not to buy online. So here is the manual. You can see that it's Indian version, so that Indian sticker is there, which you can stick. Also, I bought there one sustain pedal, that is Havana WTB-005. It's a lovely sustain pedal. I have tested it there. I'm just opening it. So here is the box. Just putting it aside. So here it is. The packing is quite good. So I'm just keeping the things all together. Like this is the manual. Let me close it a bit, so that you can take a better look. So here we go. So this is the chord sheet like holder. This is the manual. This is the power adapter, and the main thing is our workstation keyboard. So here we go. So here it is. It's good. Let me try to plug it in the switchboard. contour seems to be good. Mandolin. Jantara.